Today we're going to be going over how to initiate a store credit. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our invoice screen here. Now before you can initiate a store credit, you're going to have to ring in the item and then change it to a negative number. Now to do this, it's pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and scan in a product. So let's say it's a bottle of water, and you want to give the customer store credit on that bottle of water. So I'm going to go down to the bottom here where it says change quantity. And then right now this is a +1. I can easily change this to a negative number by hitting the plus and negative symbol down below. Now if it's more than 1, you can do the same thing, just make sure it's still a negative number in there. So I'll change this to a 2, negative, hit OK, and you can see how the quantity changes to -2, and then the price has a parentheses on the left and right to let you know that it is a negative number. The next step here is going to go into your pay button here, and then we're going to hit the store credit option. Now as soon as you hit store credit, you can ignore this part here, it's just trying to save it. What's going to happen is it's actually going to print out a receipt, and on that receipt you're going to have the actual store credit slip, which is going to include the barcode, and it's going to include a special number which can be used later to redeem the store credit. Now we're going to do that right now. I'm going to go in and ring in another product. So let's say we're going to do just something simple here. So as you can see here, the grand total is going to be $10.27. So I'm going to go and hit the pay button here, and then I'm going to click where it says store credit, and now it's going to ask me to either swipe or enter the store credit number. In this case here, I'm going to go ahead and enter the number, which is once the number is entered, I'm going to hit OK, and then you can see here it's going to show in paid so far store credit, which is $5.98, which was the exact total that was on that store credit. Now because there was a remaining balance, you can see I still owe $4.29, to which at that point I can either pay by cash, credit card, or any of the other payment types. And that's all there is to it. Any other questions, feel free to give us a call.